morning, this is Sheereen Naseem and you are watching United News. Headlines of the day are: a portion of an under-construction building has collapsed in Bangalore on Tuesday after the 3 days of heavy rain. Officials said 10 to 12 people are feared to be trapped under the debris. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conveyed to a Russian President Vladimir Putin that India believes in a peaceful solution to conflicts, referring to a Russia-Ukraine issue. First metro train back to celebrate 40 years of Kolkata Metro. A cyclonic storm is likely to form in the Bay of Bengal off the Orissa coast on October 23, said the India Meteorological Department. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lands in Russia ahead of a BRICS summit. 43 artists from 12 states showcase a tribal art in Delhi. Karan Johar sells 50% of Dharma production stake to Adar Poonawalla. Now the news in detail. The metro railway in Kolkata that is now rapidly expanding its network with more lines set to open in the coming years and is celebrating an important milestone, making 40 years of commercial services. India's first metro rail service opened in 1984 in Kolkata, 12 years after the construction started in 1972. Today, 4 lines are under operations and several major sections of these lines, including connections to a Kolkata airport, will be completed soon. From just 3.4 km in 1984, today the network spans nearly 60 km, including India's first underwater metro railway line under the river Hooghly connecting to the cities of Howrah and Kolkata. PM Modi landed in Russia on 22nd October ahead of a BRICS Summit 2024 in Kazan. The BRICS Summit in Kazan is being held under chairmanship of Russia, according to the Ministry of External Affairs. During his visit, PM Modi is also expected to hold a bilateral meeting with his counterparts from BRICS members countries and invited leaders in Kazan. Keep watching United News for more such updates. Thank you.